All right, guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ezekiah Omoyemi, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a data label on only the highest value on your line chart. As you can see here, I have sales by month data, and I want to return only the month with the highest sales value. So I have created a HEPA column titled Max. So this is where I want to return that exact value. And to do this, I will say equals to if if the sales for this month, if the sales for this month equals to max, then I will say what? Return that particular value. Return that particular value F4, close this, and else else return nothing. So Control Shift Enter. So let me flash fill this, and here we go. We can see that March happens to be the month with the highest sales. So what I'm going to do now is let me add a data label here. Now I've just added the data label. I will go ahead to edit this, control format data labels, and I will pick values from sales. So there is this suggestion that says I should pick my what the data label range. Then I will go ahead to highlight all these rows here, click OK. Having done this, I will deselect value, then I will put above. Now you can see that we now have what the month of March with the highest value. So if you go ahead and what refresh your data, and you see now it is what it is dynamic, it is automatically adding that what the only the highest value on your line chart. You can equally do the same for the what for the minimum value. I hope you enjoy this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.